Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Stardock Fences in your computer in a very simple way. Stardock Fences automatically organize desktop icons into labeled zones. So how you can simply download it, open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Stardock Fences. Download, and then you can simply click on the first website, and then if you scroll down a little bit, simply click on this Stardock, click on that, and then click on try it free, and then here is the download option. Click on the download, and as you can see, the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, simply minimize all of your background tab and click yes, minimize everything. And now you have to click on I agree to the terms of the license agreement, click next, and as you can see right now, the setup is rightly going. And as you can see right now, the customized fences is rightly completed. And now if you click on close it and just simply use it. So if you want to know how you can simply use it, then you can simply comment below and I'm going to show you how you can simply use it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.